Holy shit. Sorry. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Huh?
Do you need any help?
Yeah, I don't know. The bike just locked up. I'm so sorry about that. Sorry?
Do you need any help?
I think I'll be alright.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm so sorry about that.
No! Put it on the side,
Thanks for not hitting me. Yeah. I don't know what just happened, man. The bike just locked up.
It's dangerous. You need to know what it is. Because I've got a bike as well. That's why when I saw you going like this, I thought, what's going on?
Yeah. Just I don't know. The chain hasn't come off.
Right, sorry, I'm gonna have to go. But
Yeah.
Be careful. Try to sort it out. And your brake didn't.
No. Brakes are fine.
Yeah.
I appreciate you stopping, mate.
All right. Good luck, mate. Yeah.
Cheers. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you. Nice. What the fuck? What in the actual fuck? Bro. Well, that is fantastic. What the actual fuck? Oh, guess we're pushing. Fuck. Come on, girl, what's wrong with you? I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong. Locked up. Won't start. That does not sound healthy. What has happened to you, girl? Ah, I see. Looks to me like a clutch spring has come loose. Brilliant.